Put it in your pocket.
Not in your mother's pocket.
That's because they wanted to take your ass to Toys R Us.
I don't got a car, cuz. Alright, everybody ready? Happy birthday to you.
To you.
Happy birthday to you.
To you.
Happy birthday, dear Elijah. Happy birthday to you.
To you.
How big is your head?
How old are you now?
Happy birthday.
Elijah, use napkins.
Look at this one. This one like, whoa. I got. Oh. She getting dramatic. Here. You clean your hands right now, baby. I got you. Oh my God. I'm dirty.
I had to get it back, girl. I want the cake already. I want this one. Come on, you try it on this end, okay?
Cut, baby, cut. You start over the nose.
There you go.
Yay!
You gotta wish, not for no toys. You gotta wish for many years. No, get away. Alright? Yeah.
Wish that your mother don't end up in mental hospital next
No, you gotta wish that.
No, you definitely gotta wish for your mother to go to the mental hospital. I mean, not to go.
Please, I'll let you take care of her.
What?
What's football?
Damn, this is the mess I gotta pick up.
You see your daddy playing around your pocket? Huh? You got your pocket.